Setting up a professional email with Squarespace and Google Workspace involves connecting your domain to Google Workspace and configuring your DNS settings. Here's how to do it. Purchase Google Workspace. Go to Google Workspace and purchase a plan that suits your needs. Start setup in Squarespace. Log into your Squarespace account and navigate to the home menu. Click on Settings, then Email and G Suite. Connect domain. Click Connect next to Google Workspace. Follow the prompts to connect your Workspace domain to Google Workspace. Verify domain. Google will provide a TXT record to verify your domain. Copy this TXT record. Update DNS settings in Squarespace. In Squarespace, go to Settings, then Domains. Select your domain and click DNS settings. Add the new TXT record with the details provided by Google for domain verification. Add MX records for email. In the DNS settings section, add the following MX records. Complete setup in Google Workspace. Return to Google Workspace and complete the domain verification. Confirm the MX records are correctly set up to activate email services. Create email accounts. In the Google Workspace admin console, create email accounts for your domain.